Welcome to Commons West. This is a 5-story apartment building on the western end of the Ithaca Commons. We're here today to see apartment 405, a studio on the 4th floor. Let's head on in. As you enter, the first thing you'll see is the large hall closet on your left. Continuing into the apartment, we come to the kitchen with an electric oven and range, a microwave, a refrigerator, and plenty of cupboard space. In the living area, you'll have 5 pieces of furniture: a full-size bed, a bookcase, a desk and desk chair, and a dresser, as well as your second large closet. This apartment faces west with a large picture window overlooking Cayuga Street. You get lots of natural light, even on a cloudy day. This unit is air conditioned and has a heating element. One great feature of Commons West is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. We'll finish in the bathroom. A nice bathroom with a vanity, a full wall mirror, and a shower and tub combo. Rent for Commons West apartments includes heat, water, and trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Commons West 405. Call us today for availability.